What construction vehicle do we have here? Do you know? It has a roller at the front. It's a road roller. Road rollers are used to flatten the ground. They have a big drum at the front. This drum rolls as the vehicle drives back and forth. Oh dear! The ground is really lumpy here. What can we do?
Ooh, I know! Let's use the road roller.
Here comes the road roller.
It's all flat now.
Let's have a look at it in real life. How many road rollers can you see here?
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 road rollers.
That's right. They're driving back and forth over and over again to flatten the ground. Here's a closer look at another road roller.
Thank you, road roller.
For more Boey Bear videos, please subscribe.